In this video I am going to share with you how can you be a copywriter if you don't have any skills in the marketplace. So first thing which you need to do in order to believe, see, whenever this is a life step, it's not only about the copywriting. Whenever you want to do something, if you really wanted to do that particular thing, you need to believe it, because if you don't believe it, you can't be able to do it, right? If you want to be a YouTuber, you need to understand that first you need to believe that you will be a successful YouTuber at some point of time if you do every single thing rightly. Rightly doesn't mean that you are not going to make mistakes. You will going to make mistakes, but at the same point of time you are learning. You know that you are going to make mistake, and you know that you are growing by making these mistakes only. So if you want to be a good copywriter, you need to believe that you can be a good copywriter. Don't think that you can't be a good copywriter just because you don't have any background, just because in your family nobody knows about the copywriting, just because your friends don't know about the copywriting. Don't think like this way. You need to believe that one day you can be a good copywriter by doing stuff regularly, by taking the actions, by learning about through the books, through the videos, and doing something about that. So first you need to believe it, and don't just believe it. Don't just try to visualize and don't do the practice, and just whole day you are doing the visualization only and you are not doing any practical stuff. Don't do that also. If you are believing, you need to take some actions, right? If you feel that I want to be a marathon winner, and if you just in the whole day only you just visualize that you are lifting the trophy of marathon winner, and you are not doing the running every single day, how can this belief can take you far long? So you need to understand that if you want to be a good copywriter, believe. But now my second point, learn the strategies from the experienced copywriter. See, what is your problem right now? Your problem is that you don't have any experience right now for being a good copywriter, right? So right now that days will gone when you don't have any information over the internet about doing anything. Now if you want to be a good copywriter, there are so much of the books about it, there are so much of the videos about it, there are so much of the good courses about it. You just need to find out, and you just need to pay for that. If you don't have any money also to read the books, let me suggest you one platform, pdfdrive.com. You can go over there and you can read the book for free about the copywriting also, right? So first believe, then second, learn from the people in the copywriting who already have the experiences. This is very, very, very important step right now. And then after this, which I already told, so in some of the platform, I already shared with that, if you want to be a good copywriter, try to implement the strategy, right? You already have the courses, you already read the books, you're already watching the videos every single day, you're following your process, you're watching the 3 to 4 videos every single day after your job, or maybe you are not doing the job, you are doing some business and side hustling, you are doing this particular copywriting, right? So you need to implement those strategy also. If you don't implement, what is the use of reading the books? Now let me know that, right? If you are reading the books to have a strategy, if you are watching the videos to have a strategy, now you get the strategy. Now the only thing which left is to implement, to write the copies daily. Try to write your own copy, try to create a product in your mind and try to write the copy. Try to understand who is the target audience, try to understand the customer's pain and point, and try to solve that particular problem in a smart form of a copy. It's like you can do the Facebook copy and maybe Instagram copy, which is basically a short copy, right? That's how you do it, that's how you learn it, right? If you are not an experienced copywriter, you don't have to be discouraged. I don't know, I'm not going to do it. You just have to have the belief, then you just have to learn the strategies to from all the people who already have the experiences, and now you learn all those things, implement, go and implement, then you see different story, and that's how you learn. Thank you for watching this video. Just let me know in the comment whether you like this particular video or not, and please make sure you subscribe this particular channel so that you never miss any videos from this particular channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.